Hello traders, long time no see, long time no video, long time no setup, no time no updates. I've been working on myself, people. I've been working on to give us a better content. So guys, for this week I have a huge focus on good. I have a huge focus on good. On a non before I was expecting gold to give us a QM buy, but right now, as you can see from the 8 hours time frame or daily time frame, we have a breakout already. So for me, at worst, I'm expecting a sell to 1820, a sell to 1820 but right now, this inverse Quasimodo that we are having there is giving a lot of traders a concern that is gold is going to fall or going to buy, and we are going to know that today. But firstly, all I can confirm here is that price is here to give me that sign to buy. I haven't seen that sign to buy, and currently I'm currently shorting this on my profile account. I'm currently shorting it from this very zone since on Friday. I held the positions because firstly we have a breakout of the trend line, right? But it's a first breakout coming to this 8 hours time frame. Why is it first breakout? If we have been joining our weekly online Zoom section that we only hold on Sundays, then you know that this is the first breakout because we have a candle that broke it out, right? And then the next thing that the next candle came back in and say what the next candle is doing, and this is 8 hours time frame. If we should go to 4 hours time frame, you understand the more. And can you see the same thing? So in the next 20 minutes now, we should have a bearish kind of this very pattern. So if gold still going to buy, that doesn't mean that we shouldn't be able to short it to this very zone So I'm currently holding on myself to this 1912 again, right? And if price fails to hold, if price fails to shoot up from this very zone, then I will continue to hold on gold. I will continue to hold on certain trades that I have on gold. So it's as easy as that. So I'm expecting the buys from this zone. Let's go to other time frame to see if we can still have any hidden support. So the buy is this very position is still going to be our jackpot zone. That very position is still going to be our jackpot zone. So if price get there, I won't close my sell entries, but I will still look for entries, right? If I see the sign to go in, I will look for entries. So right now the QM is not playing out, but I will still hold it like this. So for me to know what I'm trading on, for me to see that okay, there's a possibility of a QM buy, so I'll just continue to leave that. And that's that. So that is our jackpot zone. Let's go to another time frame. If we can have any zone, okay, alright, we can also have it around there. We can also have the buy around there. So it's still very close to this jackpot zone, very close to the jackpot zone. So but for me, is this jackpot zone giving us a one, how many touch? We're having one touch here, the second touch here, then the third touch here. But if I broke this very zone here and come back to this very down here, I'm holding on myself. That I've had from this very position here. So guys, that's that. And the reason why I want to look for a buyer, because I confirmed a DB break, right? A DB break means that once we see the candle breakout, once we see price to testing back to this very zone. That means we are taking our buy from here, then holding it to this very zone here or this very zone here. So that is that. But right now, that is not playing out. He's telling me another thing here. So guys, that is what we have for gold this week. The next I'm going to run is going to be Deriv index, maybe step index and piece 25. I have my eyes on those two. Guys, enjoy on this and see you on the next one.